Okay, Slimy. Although I do enjoy your pestering. I'll read your book. All right, here we go. Chapter 269 in The Adventures of Trash Gordon. When we last left our hero, he was on the planet Snore a lot, trying to get some sleep. Even heroes need some shut-eye. Unfortunately, all the Snoretians were snoring. Even the pillows and blankets were snoring. It was a sight for snore eyes. How would Trash ever get to sleep with all that noise? Luckily, our hero had brought along something noisier, his bugle. Everyone woke up. Trash heroically turned to them and said,
Sesame Street has been brought to you today by the letter H. And by the number 13.
Then our hero boldly fell asleep. No more, Slimy. That was a lot of excitement for Little Worm. You get some rest, and we'll read some more tomorrow. You're still here? Hey, why don't you go read a book or something?